Hey, curious minds. Today we're diving into the science behind fart sounds and smells. Yeah, you heard me right. Farts. So, buckle up for a gassy ride. First off, let's talk about the sounds. Ever wondered why some farts are like a trumpet solo while others are barely a whisper? It's all about the speed and tightness of the exit point. Simply put, a tighter passage makes a louder noise. Think of it like squeezing air out of a balloon. The more you pinch it, the louder the squeak. Now, onto the smells. Farts get their unique aroma from a cocktail of gases produced by bacteria in your intestines. Most of it is odorless stuff, like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. But the real stinkers are sulfur compounds. Yep, the same stuff that makes rotten eggs smell so bad. Foods like broccoli, eggs, and beans are high in sulfur, making your farts extra pungent. So the next time you're blaming the dog, remember, it's all science. But why do we even fart? Great question. Farting is your body's way of releasing excess gas that builds up in your digestive system. This can come from swallowing air while eating, or from the breakdown of food by gut bacteria. It's totally normal and healthy, even if it's a bit embarrassing. Alright, let's recap. Fart sounds depend on the speed and tightness of the exit point. Fart smells are mostly due to sulfur compounds. And yes, farting is a healthy bodily function. So the next time you let one rip, just remember, you're basically a walking, talking science experiment. Got more quirky questions? Hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.